come alive. We play on the 4th of June, and we hope that you all come and look for the new star. And I pray that the new star is sitting right here from my team and makes it big. And he is the Agla Star. It's the Agla Star. What is the Agla Star? The Agla Star, when Kapil Dev sir started, the parents would say, don't play cricket, it will not make any difference, you will not get married, you will not get a job, and so forth. But today, every parent wants to see the Agla Star. So to all the parents who have come here for supporting their children, a round of applause please. It is the parents who get and can find the Agla Star, because the Agla Star is in your own house, in your own homes, and in your own society and thing. I heard Rohit Sharma say that he would get 5 rupees paid if he played for the society, and they would call him from anywhere and he would play for any team possible. That's the Agla Star. There are stars that will come out from nowhere. I hope the Agla Star is from Sobo Mumbai Falcons. Then the one in a billion hunt. Like cricket is growing and grown to a different stage. As Sir said in 1980, he would not get anything. He didn't even have maybe he would not even go on a bus to play the match at 6:30 in the morning. And he still played. No matter what happened, not getting tired, not getting any support from physio and all those things, but he just kept playing, and that was his passion, and we've seen the passion. So thank you for being part of Mumbai Falcons for more than 6-7 years. The love and affection that you've shown to me, my family, and the Formula team, as well as now the cricket team, I really appreciate, and thank you so much for always being there for me. We've learned a lot from you. I have got experiences and used it in business, and I've grown. Thank you, sir, for being a part of my life. It's an honor that you call me a friend, and I'm always there, and you're always there for me whenever I give you a call. And you call me more than I will call you. And thank you so much for being there. Thank you, sir. Coming back to racing, which has been my passion, we started Mumbai Falcons as just a franchisee for the Mumbai city. Started a league called X1, which didn't do well, but somehow I feel Mumbai Falcons as a name flourished in other things. We went international. We won our first championship. We went with Kush Maini and Jan Darona, trying to make it an all-India team. We didn't do very bad in our first season. We were second runners-up by 2 points, which really bothered the guts out of me, because 2 points are 2 points, and nobody likes coming second and third. Next year, we put in a little bit more effort. We won the championship with Arthur Leclerc. Arthur Leclerc, if people don't know, he's the brother of Charles Leclerc, who drives for Ferrari. Arthur Leclerc now drives for Ferrari as a test driver. The year after that, we had Kimi Antonelli. Kimi Antonelli is now racing for Mercedes in Formula 1 and doing well, so forth. But whenever I look at it, I don't see the Agla Star coming out from India, because the infrastructure is not great. It's not haywire, maybe not getting the right direction to do that. So that's what we are going to find in motor racing, and we start this 15th of August, giving it the Independence Day, so that another sport, with the help of Kapil Dev sir, will come up to a different level and so forth.
Show all the sports, whatever in 1 hour we can see. Today we have 7 channels, 24/7, 11 we see all the sports. So I think the change has taken place only because people love the sports in this country. I don't know why they didn't love during my time, but now I think all, you say badminton, you say kabaddi, you say cricket, you can say hockey, and all the sports, and no, they can't not to talk about car racing or motorbike racing. I think it's so wonderful. It's giving a youngster an opportunity to go their talent and ability. I think wonderful.
That's beautiful, sir. Now, so many youngsters under this roof, they all look up to you. and they all come to you normally to go for advice. But I want to ask you.
बिल्कुल नहीं, झूठ है ये, कोई ऐसा नहीं. I think आज के यंगस्टर बहुत स्मार्ट है, बहुत इंटेलिजेंट है. They don't need advice. Only thing we can is guide them in the right path. ये इनमें टैलेंट भी ज़्यादा है, एबिलिटी भी ज़्यादा है. हम इनको सिर्फ डायरेक्शन दिखा सकते हैं, उससे ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं.
लेकिन मैं आपसे ये पूछना चाहती थी कि आपके करियर के दौरान सबसे बेस्ट एडवाइस आपको किसने दी और क्या दी, ताकि हम उससे कुछ सीखें.
I think he said in English, which I couldn't understood what he said at that time. He said, if you want to be successful in life, keep your eyes and ears open while sleeping also. So I translate in my own Punjabi and broken Hindi. I said, how anybody can keep his eyes and ears open while sleeping also? And he took a pause and he said, don't go literally what I said, understand the meaning. If you want to be successful, keep your eyes open all the time. Know what's happening around the sports. One day you might be the captain of the team. So whatever you see the captain is not doing right or wrong, you can learn about that. And I think that was the best advice. So I like to learn every day when I come out what more I can learn and what more I can get knowledge from different people.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for gracing the occasion with your presence. You will have to be with me on stage for a bit. But since you mentioned the captain, ladies and gentlemen, we've got a bit of a message from our very own captain, as Shreyas Iyer is a man of the hour. And this is where we start with the cap distribution ceremony. Since he's not here, he's got a message for all of you. Please take a look. Sir. Team Mumbai. It kicks off on the 4th of June. The very first game to be played on the 4th of June. And all I can say is game on. We wish every single team owner the very best. Looking forward to a great level of competition on the field and off it. It promises to be a blockbuster. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot, gentlemen. Request the media to kindly come forward and take pictures of the council members, the team owners, and every dignitary here. Ladies and gentlemen, that was our anthem, and we present to you the Team Sobo Mumbai Falcons. Let's give that a huge, huge round of applause with our brand ambassador, the living legend right in center, Mr. Kapil Deva, along with our team principal, Vikrant Yeligetti, and our kids from the karting team of the Mumbai Falcons, right there representing both the sports. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for the Sobo Mumbai Falcons. And this is the big reveal of our team jersey, the blazing orange, the electric blue, and the Falcons right in the center, representing the team, the bird, which is all set, of course, battle ready. And we just have had Vedant Jain, who has presented Mr. Kapil Dev with the jersey. This is the jersey launch, and this is the jersey of our captain, Shreyas Iyer. The man that we're looking forward to add utmost glory to our very team, ladies and gentlemen. Our team, jersey of the Sobo Mumbai Falcons. Thank you so much to all our team members here. Vedant Jain, a youngest member from the racing, who's just joined us with the, of course, jersey. Thank you so much to all the players, and along with
मैं तो कहना चाहूँगा कि दोनों ही इंडिया के ग्रेटेस्ट लीडर्स हैं, बहुत अच्छे लीडर्स हैं और दोनों ही एक ही तरीके से गेम खेलते हैं जो है जीतना चाहते हैं। और मैं दोनों से ये सीखा हूँ कि जब भी खेलूँ क्रिकेट तो टीम के लिए 100% दूँ। तो दोनों ही बहुत अच्छे लीडर और दोनों के साथ ही खेलने में बहुत मज़ा आता है।
मुंबई T20 लीग की बात करें, काफ़ी सारे प्लेयर्स, शिवम दुबे भी यहाँ से आए थे। ये लीग एक बहुत बड़ा टूर्नामेंट होता है, ये अपॉर्चुनिटी को किस तरह से आप देखते हो?
अभी मैंने बोला ये सीखने का बहुत बड़ा अपॉर्चुनिटी है। बॉम्बे के बेस्ट प्लेयर खेलते हैं तो मैं भी ट्राई करूँगा और हमारी एंटायर टीम ट्राई करेगी कि जितना ज़्यादा इम्प्रूव हो सकता है डे बाय डे और जितना अच्छा कर सकते हैं उतना करें।
व्हाट अबाउट द रेड बॉल, आर यू लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड फॉर रेड बॉल रणजी ट्रॉफी में? किस तरह से वाइट बॉल में हमने देखा है, एक आखिरी सवाल है, वाइट बॉल में हमने देखा है आपके, बट रेड बॉल में इतनी देखी नहीं है आपकी बैटिंग, तो रेड बॉल को किस तरह से आप देखते हो?
मुझे तो सारे क्रिकेट खेलने में बहुत मज़ा आता है, वाइट बॉल हो रेड बॉल हो, दोनों ही इक्वली बहुत मज़ा आता है। क्रिकेट खेलने का मौका मिल रहा है मुझे, वही बहुत बड़ी बात है। तो जब भी मैं क्रिकेट खेलूँ, चाहे वाइट बॉल हो रेड बॉल हो, अपना बेस्ट दूँगा।